I love this stainless steel grater. It is razor sharp. I like the non-slip handle. It's quite a compact design, and it's powerful, but it's really easy to use. 5 things I really like about it are how razor sharp it is. Not sure if you can tell up close. It's a stainless steel blade. It easily, for me, goes through cheeses, citrus, garlic, ginger, nutmeg, that kind of thing. I also like the non-slip handle. It's really easy to grip. It's got little thumb holder placements, so you can kind of keep a tight grip on it and the fruit, whatever you're using. I like how easy it is to store. It comes with this little brush to get the little pieces off, as well as a protective cover. It's just a lot less bulky than the traditional graters I'm used to. I also love its multi-purpose, whether it's a lemon zester or a cheese grater or vegetable shredder. I can just grab it and use it a lot throughout my house, and it has a lifetime warranty. Rust resistant. Here's a close-up of the grating. Also works great for like a chocolate, nutmeg, things of that nature, but great for zesting citrus particularly. And hard cheeses are no issue. This is a really tough locatelli Parmesan, and it went right through that. Overall, razor sharp, non-slip handle, compact design, powerful but easy to use. Hope this helps. If it does, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.